Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, March 30th. The practice we're going to do today is called You Can Handle This. You are capable of handling more than you give yourself credit for. We all are. Difficult emotions may sometimes get the better of us, but they always pass, and we always make it through them. Remember, so far in your life, you've made it through 100% of your days, no matter how challenging your circumstances may have been at times. By bringing mindfulness to the process of going through hard times, you can train yourself to recognize your own resilience. Seeing clearly that you are capable of handling the difficulty, you will train the mind to know you are okay, even when everything seems to fall apart, even when you don't like what's happening. So let's try this. Take a comfortable position and, as always, settle in. Close the eyes, adjust your position so that you are as comfortable as you can be at the moment. Ground yourself on the body, feeling the support of the surface you're on. Notice the movement of your natural breath. Now bring to mind a difficult emotion you have experienced recently. Don't indulge in the storyline, but instead focus on the feeling itself. You can do this by tuning in to the body first. What does the body feel like when this emotion is present? Feeling the emotion in the body, start investigating your capacity to be with it, not to push it away. What exactly feels overwhelming or unmanageable? Ask yourself if you are able to handle the feeling in this very moment. It's okay if not. Continue to tend to the experience in the body, examining whether you are able to be present with it or not. Remember, either way, it's fine. It's just an investigation, just a curiosity. I'll be silent for about a minute to give you space for that. Now move your attention to the mind and your mental state. When this emotion is present, what is the mind doing? Notice the thoughts that arise and the general feeling of the mind. Again, ask yourself if anything arising is too much for you to handle. And remember, it's okay if it is. And finally, Reflect on the pains and difficulties you have gone through over your life, through small frustrations and larger experiences of grief and tragedy. You have made it to this moment, today, 100% of time. Recognize your natural resiliency, remembering that you are indeed capable to handle this. How does that feel? Now bring your hands to your heart and, as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, or any day for that matter, I invite you to remember that so far you have made it through 100% of difficulties that have been arising in your life. Remind yourself that you are capable of handling anything. Honor your own resilience. And as always, enjoy your discovery. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.